Azure Synapse Data Exploration is a powerful feature in Azure Synapse Analytics that enables users to quickly and easily discover, explore, and prepare data for analysis. To get started, you need to have an Azure Synapse workspace set up, which is a cloud-based analytics service that brings together enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics. First, let's define what data exploration is. Data exploration is the process of visually and interactively examining data to understand its content, structure, and relationships. It is an essential step in the data analysis process, as it helps you to identify patterns, trends, and correlations within your data. In Azure Synapse, data exploration is done using a feature called Synapse Studio. Synapse Studio is a web-based interface that provides a user-friendly environment for data exploration, data preparation, and data analysis. To start exploring your data, navigate to the Synapse Studio and select the data source you want to explore. Once you have selected your data source, you can use various tools and features to explore your data. For example, you can use the Data Preview feature to quickly view a sample of your data. Or you can use the Data Profiling feature to analyze the distribution of values in your data. Another key feature of Azure Synapse Data Exploration is the ability to create data visualizations. Data visualizations, such as charts, tables, and maps, help to communicate insights and patterns in your data. In Synapse Studio, you can create data visualizations using a variety of tools and templates. And you can also customize your visualizations to meet your specific needs. Best practices for Azure Synapse data exploration include starting with a clear question or hypothesis, using data visualizations to communicate insights, and documenting your findings and insights. It is also important to ensure that your data is accurate, complete, and consistent, and that you have the necessary permissions and access controls in place to protect your data. In summary, Azure Synapse Data Exploration is a powerful feature that enables users to quickly and easily discover, explore, and prepare data for analysis. By using Synapse Studio and following best practices, you can unlock the full potential of your data and gain valuable insights that can inform business decisions and drive business outcomes.